What if I told you that the hardest $10,000 you'll ever save is your first $10,000? But once you reach that milestone, building wealth becomes much easier. Most people believe you need a six-figure salary to save $10,000. But the truth is completely different. Some people earning just $40,000 a year successfully save their first $10,000. Meanwhile, others making over $100,000 a year still end up living paycheck to paycheck. So what's the difference? It's not luck, it's not intelligence, and it's definitely not your income alone. The real difference comes from the financial habits you repeat every single day. In this video, I'll show you the exact strategies that can help you save your first $10,000 faster, even if you're starting from zero. Before we talk about saving money, you need to understand one important fact. Saving your first $10,000 isn't just about having more money. It's about buying yourself peace of mind. Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding out your car needs a $2,000 repair. Or your company suddenly announces layoffs. Without savings, every unexpected expense feels like a financial emergency. That's why millions of people stay trapped in a paycheck-to-paycheck lifestyle. One surprise bill, one medical emergency, one missed paycheck can completely destroy their monthly budget. But people with savings react differently. They don't panic. They have time to think. They make better financial decisions because they aren't desperate. This is why your first $10,000 is more than just a number. It's your financial safety net. And it's the foundation for building real wealth. So, how do you actually reach that first $10,000 faster? Let's start with the first strategy that changes everything. The first strategy is simple. Pay yourself first. Most people save whatever money is left at the end of the month. But by the end of the month, there's usually nothing left. Bills take a portion. Groceries take another portion. Dining out, online shopping, and subscriptions quietly drain the rest. Instead of saving what's left, save first, spend later. The moment your paycheck arrives, transfer a fixed amount into a savings account. Treat that transfer like a bill you must pay every single month. Even if it's only $50 or $100. The amount isn't the most important part. Consistency is. Saving a small amount every month for years will always beat saving a large amount only once in a while. Now let's move to the second strategy, because this one could save you thousands of dollars every single year. The second strategy is to know exactly where your money goes. You can't improve what you don't measure. For the next 30 days, track every single dollar you spend. Your morning coffee, food delivery, streaming subscriptions, impulse shopping. Everything counts. Most people are shocked when they finally see where their money is actually going. Let's say you spend $250 every month on food delivery. That's $3,000 every year. Now imagine cutting that expense in half, without earning an extra dollar. You could save $1,500 a year from just one habit. This is why small daily decisions create big financial results over time. Don't look for one huge change. Look for 10 small changes. Because small improvements repeated consistently lead to extraordinary results. Now, let's talk about the third strategy, the one that can dramatically speed up your journey to your first $10,000. The third strategy is simple. Increase your income. There's a limit to how much you can cut your expenses, but there's almost no limit to how much you can increase your income. Ask yourself one question. How can I earn an extra $500 every month? That extra income could come from freelancing, a part-time job, selling digital products, or learning a high-income skill. Imagine saving an extra $500 every month. By the end of 1 year, you would have an additional $6,000. Now combine that with smarter spending habits, and your first $10,000 suddenly becomes much closer than you think. The fourth strategy is to automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer on every payday. That way, you save before you even have the chance to spend. The less you rely on willpower, the more consistent your results will be. Saving money isn't about being perfect. It's about building a system that works every single month.